Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today we're making something different. We're making chicken burger. First we'll make burger buns and then we'll make chicken patties. You know I don't like to waste time on this channel, so if you have not subscribed, do that right now so we can get started. As we go along, I will mention the quantities of the ingredients I used and I'll also make sure to list them in the description box. I will also share tips to make sure that you get good results, so try not to skip, just stay with me and we will be done in no time. For the burger buns, I'll be using 4 cups of all-purpose flour. This has been sifted, and to that I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon salt, and 2.5 teaspoons of instant dry yeast. I'm going to mix this together before I add water. After mixing, I will add about 1.5 cups of warm water, very important. I'll mix this till it comes together. I just need this to come together before I introduce vegetable oil. Yes, for this recipe, I'm using vegetable oil in place of margarine or butter. If you feel like using butter or margarine, please go ahead. I will put the measurement there. Here, I'm using 1/8 cup of vegetable oil and I'll work this into the dough till it's smooth and well incorporated. So because this is burger buns and I'm not trying to achieve that stretchy texture like we have with agege bread, I won't bother to knead this for too long. If you like this video after watching, make sure to give me a thumbs up and a nice comment before you leave. After kneading, I cut the dough into 8 equal parts. I only eyeballed this, so if you want to use a kitchen scale to measure, please go ahead. To get the nice round burger shape, you want to oil your hands so they're not sticking too much. The dough don't stick too much to your hands. Gently flatten the dough and pull the sides towards the middle like I am doing now. Now turn it around and roll the side, tucking the sides like that, just like I am doing now, till you have a perfectly round shape. Or even if it's not perfect for a start, you can make do with what you get, but this is what I have. I think this looks good, so I will place this gently on a lined baking tray. I'll be proofing this dough only once, and that is why I did not bother to proof before cutting into the sizes. So they will go now into a warm place covered with a clean cloth just for a few minutes, say 30 to 40 minutes, while I go on with the chicken patties. For this, I will be using ground chicken, and to that I added some garlic powder, some white pepper, some crushed chili, chicken seasoning and salt. I'm going to mix all of this together. Remember that I'm going to put a list of everything I used in the description box, so if you don't catch it now, please check the description box. After mixing everything, I took in bits and shaped into round patties like I just did. I'm going to let this rest in the fridge for a few minutes. At this time, the buns were ready, so I gave them some egg wash and tossed in a preheated oven. They will bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. The egg wash is just a mixture of egg and milk. After egg washing, I sprinkled with some sesame seeds, very important. I then proceeded to cook the patties, which have been resting, using very little oil. I'm frying these on medium heat for about 7 to 8 minutes on each side so they're thoroughly cooked. If you're enjoying this video already, you can click like, you don't have to wait till the end. Kindly subscribe to the channel so you can see many more of my delicious recipes. I added a bit of water so they're not dry too. Now the chicken patties are now ready and looking so good. These were so good, I tell you. I'm going to take them out of the pan, let them cool for a bit, and at this time the burger buns were ready too. They look so beautiful, as you can see. Brown. I love the sesame seeds on them. They're perfectly baked. So I cut up the burger buns into 2 to just toast them lightly on a pan. Spread with some cream, which is just a combination of mayonnaise and ketchup. Now loading up my chicken burger with some vegetables, lettuce, tomatoes, green pepper. I added some scrambled eggs from the remainder of the egg wash. The chicken patties, of course, and the top of the burger buns. Now look at this beauty. This was so delicious. My children were asking me, when next are you making chicken burgers? In fact, one of them said we should be making it every weekend. It was that good. Trust me on this one. I really want you to try this recipe and share your feedback with me on Instagram at foodieremrem. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you with another recipe soon. Until then, take care.